Today we're going to go over supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two angles housed on a straight line. This straight line equals 180 degrees. It's the same exact thing we did yesterday. The only difference is it will equal 180 instead of 90. We take our two angles and we add them together. 3q plus 6 plus 7q minus 46 equals 180. So now I'm going to combine what looks the same. My 3q and my 7q look the same, combining like terms. 10q. Positive 6 and negative 46 give me a negative 40 equals 180. Now I need that 10q by itself, so I'm going to add 40 to each side because I have to do the opposite. Positive and negative cancel out. That leaves me 10q is equal to 180 plus positive 40. That gives me 220. My q still isn't by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 10. 10 goes into 10 once. That leaves me q. 10 goes into 220, 22 times. Now, you need to be careful. 22 is the value of q, but it's not the value of each angle. I need to go back and substitute this 22 into both of these expressions in order to get the value of the angles. 3q plus 6. 3 times the value of q, which is 22, plus 6. 3 times 22 is 66, plus 6 gives me 72. So this angle is 72 degrees. Now we have to figure out 7q minus 46. 7 times 22 minus 46. 7 times 22 is 154. Minus 46 gives me 108. So this angle is 108. And I know that's right because 72 plus 108 gives me 180 degrees. Let's look at this other problem now on the bottom of the paper. I'll change markers so you don't get confused. I have 4x plus 20 and x minus 10. Remember, they're housed on a straight line. It equals 180. So 4x plus 20 plus x minus 10 equals 180. Don't be surprised sometimes if you see this line extends. That's okay. Just understand that this is your straight line and these are where your angles are. I'm going to now combine my x's. 4x and x gives me 5x. Positive 20 plus negative 10 gives me positive 10. And again, it's just going to equal 180. I want that 5x by itself, so I'm going to get rid of the positive 10. That becomes a negative 10 on both sides. 5x equals 170. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 34. Now, again, we're not done. We just found the value of x. Now we have to put x back inside the angles. So 4x plus 20. 4 times 34 plus 20. 4 times 34 plus 20 equals 156. Now I have to do x minus 10. Well, x minus 10, 34 minus 10, 24. That one was easy. 156 plus 24 equals 180. So I know I'm correct. Have a great day, all.